In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize an image in Mailchimp. This process is quick and intuitive, so let's get started. First things first, we'll be using Mailchimp's built-in content editor to modify images within an email campaign. It's a handy feature that lets you adjust images to perfectly fit your template's design. To kick things off, you'll need to log into your Mailchimp account. Once you're in the dashboard, head over to the campaign section. You'll find this option at the top of your screen, and once you click on it, select all campaigns from the drop-down menu. This will provide you with a list of all your existing campaigns. Scroll through your campaign list and select the one you wish to work on. Once you've found the right campaign, hover over it and you'll see an edit option appear right next to the campaign name. Click on edit to enter the campaign editor. We're getting closer to resizing that image. Now, within the campaign editor, look for the edit design button, usually positioned near the top right or left of the screen, depending on Mailchimp's current layout. Clicking this will pull up your email template, allowing you to tweak and adjust its elements. Once the template is open, locate the specific image block where your image is placed. These blocks are typically easy to spot as they display placeholders or the images themselves. Click on the block that contains the image you want to resize. Doing this will open a settings panel to the left of your screen. Here on the left panel under the content section, you'll notice an option labeled Size. This is your key to resizing the image. You'll see various options like Original, Fill, and Scale that dictate how the image adjusts within its frame. If you want a truly customized fit, I recommend selecting Scale. By choosing Scale, a slider tool will appear, offering you the ability to manually adjust the image size. This is particularly useful if you have a specific dimension in mind, or if you want to achieve a balanced professional look on your template. Simply drag the slider left or right until the image reaches your desired size. Finally, don't forget to click the Save button to ensure all your adjustments are applied. This step is crucial as it finalizes your changes and updates the template with your resized image. And there you have it. You've successfully resized an image using Mailchimp's built-in content editor. Remember, utilizing these tools efficiently can dramatically enhance the visual appeal of your campaigns, making your emails look both crisp and engaging. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful in optimizing your Mailchimp email designs.